This morning, as James was talking about, a blizzard warning in effect for parts of the Northeast as another winter storm is moving in. You can see on the map here the blizzard warnings extending from the coasts of Delaware and New Jersey all the way through New York City and into parts of coastal southern New England. The storm will rapidly intensify into a bomb cyclone off the eastern seaboard today. Some areas, they could see more than a foot of snow by Monday. Well, major travel disruptions are already happening because of the storm at this hour. FlightAware reporting nearly 3,000 canceled flights nationwide and about 9,000 delays now nationwide. Officials are warning people to expect significant travel delays at airports across the country. And here at home right now, we did just check Tampa International Airport, already seeing 59 canceled flights, 25 delays. We are keeping a close eye on those numbers and the status of all the flights at TPA all morning long, and we are going to keep you updated on that. Well, local leaders in New York City and New Jersey, they are urging people to stay home and stay off the roads. CBS's Christian Benavides has more on how they're preparing for the storm's impact.
Across the Northeast, millions of Americans are preparing for another winter blast. There was a pre-storm mad dash at this grocery store on New York's Long Island.
Again?
My son texts me and says, "Mom, do you have food?" I said, "No." So he said, "You better rush, go shopping."
New York City is loading up more than 700 salt spreaders and turning over 2,000 garbage trucks into snowplows. Conditions are forecasted to be more dangerous than the last storm.
Our city will face its second snowstorm in less than a month and our first blizzard since 2016. We are now expecting between 13 to 17 inches of snow, but there is a slight chance we may see up to 20 inches, if not more.
The state's governor, Kathy Hochul, declared a state of emergency.
This could be an historic storm, and the vulnerability is great.
Across the river in New Jersey, where wind gusts could reach up to 55 miles per hour, a state of emergency will also be in effect.
These are very dangerous driving conditions, so please plan to stay off the roads. We're taking precautions, we're making preparations.
In Connecticut, the city of Hartford is still cleaning up from the last storm.
Here we go again. I mean, we're still dealing with the snow that we have. Now it's going to be snow on top of snow.
More than 6,000 flights have already been canceled, with the storm forecasted to impact travel from Baltimore through New England. Christian Benavides, CBS News.
And coming up at 11 o'clock this morning, our meteorologist James Gregorio is tracking that winter blizzard, and he's going to be breaking down the impact that it will have on millions of people, including the travel delays that affect us here in Tampa. He's also going to have details on our forecast with the cold front coming through and a weather impact alert on Tuesday morning for cooler weather. You'll be able to watch his streaming show live on our 10 Tampa Bay News app. Download it now so you can watch for free from anywhere and any of your streaming devices.